Hey guys, this is Shweta and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, this is Shweta and welcome back to my channel. So today I am here at this place called Riva Beach Resort with my mom for a staycation. We were very annoyed and very bored at home, so that is the reason we decided to take a staycation. And we reached here pretty late. It's almost past 2:30 actually, and we have ordered lunch. So the time we reached here, I booked for a garden view room, and we got I don't know what it is, like a dungeon or something like that without a view. The view is totally blocked due to some construction work going on, and it is very annoying for me. So I just called them and told them that please can you change our room, because I specifically booked a garden view. Then they were like, no, this thing is sold out, the rooms are sold out. I was like, no, that is not my problem, right? Because I specifically booked for a garden view. And now I don't know what they are doing, but it is past 2:30 now. And I am very hungry, so we ordered lunch now, and then we'll have it, and then we'll know where are we going. Are we staying in this stupid room even after paying for a garden view? This thing, I am very particular about these things. If I book something, I want it, and you guys know, for a content creator, it is very important for us. I guess the guy is here, and we are going to shift to a garden view. Hello. So this is how this room looked. The view was totally blocked, and I was so annoyed because of this. So yeah, the previous room was pathetic, and this is really nice. I love how spacious this room is, and yeah, the view is also nice. So I'm gonna chill now. We have nothing to do. We are just gonna chill and take rest. We are here because of her, because she wanted to, chill and just order some good food and have it. So yeah, that is all you are going to see in this whole vlog. Me eating, me sleeping, and doing literally nothing. So in case that interests you, just keep on watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So I'm gonna quickly give you a nice room tour, because I think this room deserves a room tour, and it is nice, the view is nice. So yeah, let's get into the room tour. So yeah, this is the view I was crying for, and oh my god, this is very... So yeah guys, this is the view from the room. I booked for a garden view, and this is the garden view I got. So it is pretty okay, because there's some construction work going on there, so it is fine. And yeah, so yeah, this is the whole room. This is the bed, that is the cupboard, and all of that stuff. We have a TV here, and in the previous room there was a nice mirror with a good lining. Here we have a rectangle mirror, which is also fine, because I wanted to click good pictures. That is the reason I wanted a mirror. Okay, so this is the whole room, and this is my mom. Say hi. So yeah, this is me. Hi. Yeah, this is me. Hi. So yeah, here we have all the necessary items that we need in the morning, and this is the... So yeah, this is the washroom, and yeah. Hi. The mirror is also okay. There is no... I wanted a full length mirror so I could click good pictures of the outfit, but okay. So yeah, there you go. The room is pretty small. I like this mirror as well. It's good. There's a scratch or... Okay. So yeah, this mirror is also fine. This one is also fine. And that is all. Bus. So yeah, let me tell you this, that you are gonna see nothing in today's vlog, just me eating some delicious food and having a good nap, clicking few pictures because obviously we have a good view outside and some sitting area, sitting arrangement there. So we'll click good pictures and that is it. That is it, I guess, because there's nothing else to do. I'll show you the lunch once it arrives. We ordered some butter naan, chicken masala, chicken tikka masala, some chicken crispy. I ordered for a strawberry colada, and mom ordered for a mocktail as well. I'll show you once it arrives. So we just got done with our lunch and it was so yum. The strawberry colada was so yum. I loved it. This is the first time I tried strawberry colada. I usually have pina colada. And yeah, the chicken tikka masala was also super yum. It was spicy and I love spicy food. And yeah, so now we are gonna nap. We are gonna take a nap for an hour or so. And I know I'm definitely gonna get up after 6 because yeah, I thought I'll shoot something, I'll click few pictures, but no, I'm tired and my stomach is paining, my uterus is screaming because it is that time of the month. And yeah, the road, even while coming, you know, the roads are pathetic. The roads are so bad. My uterus was literally screaming. So yeah, I'm gonna just take a rest. I'm gonna take a quick nap for an hour or so. So yeah, good night. Tu ka chung jai? Bichar chung jai? Tu sang. It is the golden hour. Also, I am loving today's makeup look. And it is the golden hour, so making the best of it. Let me know in the comment section if you like my makeup. Still a beginner, but yeah, this is what I did today. It's nothing, it is just a foundation. Oh, I got a new foundation. I got the Sugar foundation. It's a foundation stick basically, and it is so perfect. Like, I got the perfect shade in it, and yeah, so that is the reason my makeup is so perfect today. So yeah, it is just foundation and no concealer, a little bit of highlighter, lipstick, primer, and that is it. I am so happy with the lighting here. I clicked so many pictures which will be up on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, my link is in the description below. You can do that right now, so you can see the gorgeous pictures that I will upload. Yeah, obviously it must have gone up by now because I have to vlog this. I have to edit this vlog within, I don't know, let's see, maybe 4 to 5 days. I'll take 4 to 5 days to edit this, and then you can check it out. So guys, this is what I ordered. I ordered a sizzling brownie which is very hot. Oh god. It's not actually a sizzling brownie, it's brownie with ice cream and chocolate syrup. So yeah, I'm gonna have it now. My mom literally slept early. It is just 10:30 I guess, 10:30 or 11, something like that. And yeah, she is asleep and I ordered this. And I'm gonna have it now. And yeah, good night. Shani, need. It is a very good morning. I woke up at 9:30 and yeah, we ordered some breakfast now. I ordered bread omelette, my mom ordered masala dosa, and yeah, we are just waiting for that and then we'll have it and check out. So yeah, the property is really nice. I loved how the staff is over here and the food. Oh my god, I loved their food. I loved their drinks. I tried the strawberry colada yesterday, and at night I tried Cosmopolitan, which was yum. I'm a sangria person, so whenever I go out, I have sangria. This time here, they didn't have sangria, which was surprising. So I ordered for Cosmopolitan, which is really nice. The one thing I loved about this property is the beach is just 10 minutes. 10 minutes bhi nahi, 5 minutes. It is just 5 minutes walk. And yeah, I just had a nice, we went for a nice walk yesterday evening to watch sunset, and yeah, we had a great time here. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here because there's nothing more to show you. Obviously, I'll get the breakfast now and then I'll show you what the breakfast is about and how was it. So yeah guys, this was today's video and I'm sure you're gonna love it because it was nothing but just a chill time with my mom, and we had great food here and we had the breakfast, and now we are leaving, so there's nothing more to show you. So yeah, if you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, please share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel. That will mean the world to me, so don't forget to subscribe.